What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2024 Toyota Corolla LE. This is the best-selling car in the world. For many of you, this was, is, or will be your first car. I'm going to show you the exterior of it, the interior, and tell you a few things about this car. Before we continue with the video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more car content. So right over here, we have the key. As you guys can see, there is no remote start. You push the button and the key comes out. Let me take you around the car. LED headlights. You have no fog lights on this model. You have 205, 55, 16-inch wheels with hubcaps. There is no turn signal on the mirrors. Right over here, you have a shark fin antenna. And if you go to the back, you have your Toyota emblem. It says Corolla over here, and the trim, the LE. You also have one exhaust tip. It's a very simple build car. It's very fuel efficient, very reliable car. Let's take a look under the hood. You have a hood latch right over here. Hopefully I'll be able to open the hood with one hand. There you have it. This is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, making 169 horsepower, 151 foot-pound of torque. Automatic transmission, front-wheel drive. So you guys can see it's a brand new engine. All right, too close, we're just gonna drop it. Now let's take a look at the trunk. You just press and hold. The trunk opens and you have plenty of cargo space. You have a spare tire right over here. You also have your jack. But it's a pretty nice sizable trunk space. You can probably fit about 3 suitcases. You have your trunk release right over here. Let's go ahead and close the trunk. And now let's take a look at the interior. In the back, you can fit 3 adults comfortably. You have 2 USB Type-C, no rear ventilation, which is very strange. There's also no storage in the back seats. Usually there's a pocket right over here. This car does not have that. You bring this down, you have 2 cup holders, and this car has no sunroof. At least in this particular model, there's no sunroof. The door panels are very plastic. Here's your window switches and your mirror controls, lock and unlock buttons. Also, all 4 windows are automatic, so you can lower and raise your windows with one click. You have storage space and a cup holder on each side. Let's go ahead and start the car now. This is an 8-inch color infotainment system. Right over here you have navigation, but as you guys can see, you have to subscribe in order to get the navigation. I'm not sure if you have to pay a subscription service for the navigation through Toyota, but that's kind of what it looks like. As you guys can see, this is a brand new car. You have all your controls over here for the center screen, but on the side you have the old school analog gauges in the cluster. These are all your settings for all your safety features in the car. And right over here you have the cruise control. These are your AC vents. Right over here you have to turn on and off the automatic headlights and adjust the brightness of the cluster, as you guys can see. Right over here you have your light switches, and on the right you have your windshield wipers switches. You have your nice AC controls right over here. You have storage space like so. Some more storage space over here with an USB Type-C. Traction control on and off button. Your gear selector. You also get rear view camera. Right over here you have two cup holders, your parking brake button, and your hold on and off button. Right over here you have some more storage space, which as you can see you can fit a weapon. These seats, they're not leather, they're cloth, but they feel very comfortable as well. This car has a 6-speaker sound system and it can comfortably seat 5 adults. All right guys, so right now we're gonna take the car for a drive just to see how it drives, see if we get any road noise or anything like that. But yeah, there's really not much to it. It's just a regular car, perfect just to get you to point A to point B. And yeah, let's just take it for a quick spin. Obviously, this car being a 4-cylinder, it's not a very fast car or anything like that. You know, it's just a very regular car. Once I get out here to the street, I'm just gonna floor it, just to see, you know, how quick it accelerates. I know it does 0 to 60 in 7.8 seconds. But we'll see. We'll come to a standstill right over here, and I'm gonna floor it. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna try that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that was my foot all the way down to the floor. And as you guys can see, nothing too exciting. But at least the car drives very good. It feels great. And I highly recommend it. If you're on a budget and you're looking to buy a brand new car, this is the way to go. You can pick up one of these for $22,000 brand new, 2024 Toyota Corolla, and you can get yourself one of these to get you from point A to point B. There's not much, you know, to that. It's just a car. As you guys saw in the video, it's very simple. But yeah, you know, being a car from Toyota and being the world's best-selling car, it's just a regular car with reliability, and you know, it's just a good car overall. And I highly recommend it for anyone. perfect first car. As I mentioned before, my first car was a 97 Toyota Corolla, and that was a great car. And this one, you know, has all these features that my first car didn't have back in, you know, 1997. Well, I had my car in 2006. That's when I first got my car, but my car was from 1997. There's not much to it. It's just a very simple, compact car. For a reason, this is the best-selling car in the world. It's not too expensive. It's very reliable, very efficient, and a lot of people just buy this car like there's no tomorrow. They use them as their first car. They buy them for the kids so they can learn how to drive. So I highly recommend this car as a first car for anybody. All right, guys, so that is it. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more car content. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.